We've worked a bit with JavaScript strings already. A string simply stores a series of characters, for example, John Smith. A string can be any text inside quotes. You can use both single and double quotes. Let's take a look at an example. In this script, we have two variables, student name 1 and student name 2. Each variable contains the full name of an individual. The first variable contains John Smith, and the second contains Roy Martin. As you can see, the first name is separated from the last name by a single space. The first variable is nested inside double quotes. The second is nested in single quotes. Both methods will work. We've outputted each string on an individual line, and we've separated each variable using the break tag. You might recall the break tag from the HTML section of this course. Let's take a look at what this script looks like in our web browser. Here we can see each variable outputted on its own line in our web browser. Now let's take a look at another example to illustrate the use of quotes inside of a string. We now have three variables, line 1, line 2, and line 3. In line 1, we use an apostrophe in the first word. This is acceptable in JavaScript. Variable line 2 and line 3 show the correct method of using quotes inside a string. You can use quotes as long as they don't match the quotes surrounding the string. So for variable line 2, we've used double quotes surrounding the string, and for that reason, single quotes around the name Xavier. On line 3, we've used single quotes surrounding the string, and for that reason we've had to use double quotes around the name Xavier. We'll save our file and preview it in our web browser, and we can see that everything works correctly. We can see the apostrophe in the first line. We can see our single quotes and our double quotes outputted from variable 2 and 3.